So for those of you who are searching to buy a property in Barcelona or Sant Cugat or in between this area, we have created the Positive Home Safari service. This service is great for those of you who are searching a property to buy and renovate, or just to buy in the area between Barcelona and Sant Cugat. So what is this service about? This service combines all the due diligence of all the people you need in order to get all the information you need before you buy a property, which is a real estate agent, a mortgage lender, an architect, and also an exchange rate expert. So why all these people? Because the real estate agent knows the neighborhoods, the market, and the people to call. The mortgage broker is going to do a study of your financial context so you know how much money you can invest on where. Also, an architect. The architect, like me, are going to do the inspections in order to inspect that the structure is okay, but also if your desired layout, that open kitchen that you're thinking about is possible, and also all the energy upgrades, improvements that you need to do in order to comply the European Union laws that are coming in 2033. Also, we have been doing renovations on time, on budget for the last 10 years. So we do have the builders, and we are going to do an estimated quote of all the things you need, and even before you make an offer. And also, you're going to have a meeting with a currency exchange expert, because if you are buying from the States or UK or from another currency and you're buying in euros, you need to know how much money the fluctuation currency is going to take from you. And actually, our expert can make you save 3% of the total cost. So this is something you need to take into account, especially in processes that are taking into account permits in the city of Barcelona, because they will take between 6 months and 12 months. So it's a long process. The exchange rate can change a lot. So you can save 3% by fixing the exchange rate with our expert. And finally, if you don't know Barcelona, if you are not already living in Barcelona, we have an expat community that have been living here for many years. For example, we have happy clients actually that have been living here for 10 years from US, UK, even South Africa, even Australia, Italy. So we will get you in touch with them so you can talk to them, get to know how is living here, what are the issues that you're going to face when moving abroad. So all this is part of our Positive Home Safari service that we are just explaining to you. So if you are interested, please book a session with us in our calendar, and we will go through all the details, and we will see if we can help you. Talk to you now. Bye.